Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to request your data on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go and open Amazon application on your device. Well, after that, here you can click profile icon at the bottom. And then please scroll down. Then here you can select request your information. Well, after that, here you can choose any data category you need. Okay, after that, click submit request here. And then you can wait the email confirmation from Amazon Shopping, which will be sent to your email address. Okay, and then here you can click confirm data request. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to request your data on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Thank you.